5,000 AK-203 assault rifles ready for delivery for Indian Army. According to a report in Jane's Intel, Indo-Russian Rifle Private Limited has completed the production of 5,000 first batch of AK-203 rifle in Korwa Ordnance Factory in Amethi, Uttar Pradesh, with delivery to commence soon, was confirmed by the Alexander Mlikhev, Director General of Russian Defense Export Agency Rosoboronexport. The first 70,000 AK-203 assault rifles will have an indigenous content of up to 70%, after which it will be 100%. Indians plan to procure nearly 6 lakhs AK-203 assault rifles